The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, and northeastern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Columbia Station to Strongsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 55 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include North Royalton, Broadview Heights, Brecksville, Sagamore Hills, Macedonia, Twinsburg, and Aurora. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Summit, and Portage.